Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Introducing the pristine and private residential neighborhood that is Jamaica's Beach, St. Mary, offering a furnished or unfurnished main floor of approximately 2,000 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, which encourages family gatherings with its open floor. Of the 4 bedrooms, one is afforded with its own entrance, kitchen, and ensuite, making it a prime location for a helper's quarters or a mother-in-law suite. Keep in mind, you are less than 5 minutes drive to Sugar Pot Beach and 50 minutes from the town of Ocho Rios. With both front and backyard brimming with mangoes, you won't want to let mango season miss you. Call today to schedule a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The monthly rental price for this house is US 2,500, Jamaican 394.4 thousand, Canadian 3,579 or 1,943 pounds. To rent this house, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.